How to show battery percentage on iPhone. If you want to enable this feature on your iPhone device, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, what you need to do is simply launch your settings on your device. From here, scroll down a little bit. There you will see option of battery. Tap on it. Once you are on your battery homepage, on the top you will see battery percentage. You have to simply toggle it on to enable battery percentage on iPhone. If you don't want to show battery percentage again, then you have to simply turn it off. In this way, you can easily show battery percentage on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.